Well, there's more good news out there, not just the lean hog market, but let's talk about corn. That lid or that 200 moving day average, 200 day moving average, sorry, that we've been having a hard time getting through. It's been big resistance up there. Yeah, we did it. We got through it today. Now let's just see if we can settle above that level. That level was 362 ish. At the time of going to taping, we're 364 and change. We've been higher, but hey, if we can settle above this level, that's fairly important because we've talked about fundamental, but technically speaking, that is a big one that a lot of the technicians are going to be looking at. So keep that in mind. Now, in 2020, we had about let's say a sell-off of about 85 cents from 405 down to 320. And we've had a new high for this recovery as of late. I guess if you have to worry about levels, the technicians will be looking for the 68% recovery, right, of that 320 low to 405. So keep that in mind as well. That's another level that the technicians are going to be looking at. We have some decent fundamental news still out there. The dollar is still relatively cheap. It's a little bit stronger today, but still relatively cheap. And so that's been good, and that's obviously that's been helping our ag prices. And at the same time, so has China. But at the same, I do want to stress though that these big picture moves that we talk about with this corn market and going into tomorrow's report. I mean, everything I say right now could be turned on a dime because of something that the USDA might put out tomorrow at 11 o'clock Central Time. But that's going to be really what all eyes are on. It's looking good right now. We had some strength go through some good technical levels. Now we're going to need to see the USDA come in and kind of bolster these things because they could take the wind out of ourselves very quickly and this market could kind of trade lower again. It's really all going to be down to whatever we get tomorrow. But that in itself, with this market in a box, we've gone through that technical level. That's good. The dollar is still relatively cheap. That's good. We've hit a new high for this recovery. That's good. I think you can see where I'm getting with this. Now we just need the USDA to come in. I think it'd be, the USDA can say anything, right? That number can be anybody's guess, and I'm not even going to try to put my finger on it, but it'd be nice if the market was in something the market expected and we could digest it and then carry on these things that we're moving through right now. So keep that in mind. Whatever I say today could totally change by this time tomorrow because we have that USDA report, and it's anybody's guess how that turns out to be. But so far going into it, the market's looking healthy. Let's just see if we can stay healthy after the report.